How's he been doing?
Awesome. He's been a little sensitive lately, like crybaby sensitive. Like every little thing.
Oh. You just want to chill? Oh, is that what you want? No, I don't think so. You want to move too much. You want to move.
He's getting to where he's like, I want to go this way. You can't make me go the other way. I can tell that when I was holding him. He's like, no, I went down.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay. Oh yeah, I have a video consent.
Yeah.
Because so many parents are worried about their kids getting adjusted at this age, and it's not anything like what you get adjusted.
It's nothing like that. I always wanted to ask you, for your activator, there's one that you wind it up and then it just does it automatic. When you touch it, it just automatically goes.
That blue one, you could use it.
This one?
Just you pick it up and
No, it's just I call that an activator. I guess you call that an activator.
No, that's an activator. That's an impulse gun. That's an automatic one. If you see on the back of it, see how those red dot and stuff. Push it into your hand and see that green dot. A green dot will activate it. So go ahead and push it into your hand.
In your hand, here.
Or on your palm.
On your palm.
On your palm, so you don't.
Oh, got it.
Once that green light's on, then it's like activated. But if you just push the trigger now, it won't do it unless you.
Okay, yeah. Close.
You're ready to do a different one here. Ready? Mister, look at me. Ready? Here we go. I'm just going to drop you back just like this and go. Good job. Was that awesome? Yeah. Is that awesome?
How you doing, buddy? Is that good? You're not getting me in my big old belly in the picture, did you? Good.
I don't like video either.
Oh, you're next.
So is it going to be right here on this TV?